Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using my Cricut to create a paper stencil to use to make patterned text by using any fabric of your choice and Mod Podge. If you don't like to get sticky and dirty, this project may not be for you. So let's get started. So in your canvas, enter a text. Change my font to Jelly Kids. I'm going to change the alignment to center, then resize the height and width to 10.5 by 10.5. I'm going to adjust the line space and letter space. And since I did that, I'm going back to resize the image to 10.5 by 10.5 and unlock if you need to. I'm just going to zoom out to see the whole image. Now I'm going to pull a template for a shirt. Click template on the left side panel and type shirt on the search bar. This is just for viewing purposes, no need to take this step if you don't need to. Moving the text on the center of the shirt, and this looks okay with me, so before I move on to my next step, please notice that there is only one image on the layer tab. So now I'm going to my next step. On the top panel, I'm going to click Advanced to ungroup the lines. See how there are now multiple layers on the right side panel of the layers. So now I'm going to select Mom and Of because I'm going to weld it. Then click Make It. The size of the cardstock I'm using is 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to change the appropriate material size, which is 11 by 11. Then click Continue. I am just using a cardstock that is 8.5 by 11. Load the mat and press Go. Unload the mat and gently remove the cardstock paper. Prepare and load the next mat, then press Go. Now that we are done cutting the stencils that we need, I'm going to unfold the fabric and make sure that it's facing right side up. Then I'm going to lay the stencils randomly and try to lay them on the pattern where you would like to cut the letters. Now that all the letters are laid out, I am using a painter's tape to keep the letters from moving from the fabric. Some prefers tracing the letters, but I find it much simpler and easier doing this method, but please do what is more comfortable for you. So now I'm just going to cut the fabric, then I'm going to cut and trim each of the letters. Gently remove the fabric from the cardstock paper due to the stickiness of the tape. Just trim if there's fabric sticking or hanging. Put a cardboard or something inside the shirt to protect the other side of the fabric from the Mod Podge. Find the center of the shirt and I use 4 fingers to make the mark for the tank top. But this is what I prefer, but go with what's comfortable to you. Then lay the letters however you like. This is the Mod Podge I use. It is for fabric. Then I brush the Mod Podge generously to the wrong side of the fabric. Just make sure that you cover the whole letters with Mod Podge. And then lay it on the shirt, however you like. And there you go. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or a comment. And if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys later.